Welcome to DOGESTATION, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm not the type of person to be hiding updates as my people will have it. So I've been on this platform for some days now, and the platform has been paying back to back, and it looks like they don't have any plans of quitting anytime soon. So it's high time I share with your DOGESTATION again and share even more ways to earn on the platform. Access your DOGESTATION mining empire and check your passive income. Live stats: 15,000 plus active players, 100k plus Doge, 98.5% success rate, 450% average return on investment. Well, you can actually invest if you want, but I haven't invested yet. This is how much I've earned. This is my daily earnings. So far, every day I withdraw 19.237 Doge. Based on my current level, I have 118 characters. So I haven't invested anything on this platform. I'm going to say it again. But here you can see this, my withdrawal history here. Today is November 5th, right? So my record is here, November 5th withdrawal. Let me go to withdrawal, click on menu here, scroll down to withdraw. So I currently do not have any available Doge because I've withdrawn for the day, right? You claim every day and then you can withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is 10 Doge and there's a fee of 1.5 Doge. So this is my history. I withdrew 19.302, 17.8 is what ended up in my wallet. Yesterday I withdrew 17.67, right? So you just be subtracting the fees. So it has become a daily withdrawal routine here since I joined this platform, back to back, right? So that's how often I withdraw here. And back to the dashboard, this is how much I've been able to withdraw on the platform: 767.637 Doge. And how much is this in USDT or dollar? So 676 Doge is equivalent to 113 USDT. Absolutely free of charge. No deposit, nothing. So I've done a full tutorial on how to register on the platform, how to get your free boxes, right? And start kicking. I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description box of this video so you can jump on it. So they share free codes on their Telegram page. So you check very often, and I'm very sure you get notifications, right? So there's a code here, 5th of November. So let's try it if it's still working. You hit the menu, you scroll all the way to banners, daily banners, right? Click. So on this daily banners, you can always claim a bonus here every day. I've claimed for the day. I'll claim in 13 hours or thereabout. Then you scroll down to the bottom and this place here for promo codes. So you paste that, you click on redeem, and I just received 0.05 Doge, right? So be subscribed to that channel, the share codes, so you can redeem them. They have the marketplace, they have the store, there are mystery boxes. This is where the real money is. So always check your mystery boxes. I do not have any free boxes available, but when you do, you claim them, and that's how you increase your earning rate, right? Through the mystery boxes. So they have the Doge House, there is tournament, referral tournament. There is VIP quests. Yes, I earlier mentioned quest in the other video. So I've completed 5 quests and I've earned 2.95 and 10 boxes. So all the quests I participated in have been approved and I've received the rewards, right? So I'm just looking at the different ways to earn on the platform. So there's also the referrals here, and of course from the socials you can get the codes. So let's go to tournament 5. So the tournament is active and remaining 13 days. This one, buy open boxes, earn points, and dominate the leaderboard. I'm not in the ranks because I haven't bought anything in the period of the event, right? So I'm not in tournament 5, right? Tournament by 5. So it means you buy anything, you get it by 5 points, I guess. And the prize pool, the top winner will get 5,000 Doge, 3.5 for the second, 2.5 for the third, and all the way to the 20th person, which will receive 20 Doge. And there is the referral tournament. This is the one I would like us to have a look at. So the referral tournament is active, and all you need to do is build your empire, earn massive points from your referrals success. So we have 10 days, 1 hour and 52 minutes to go, right? So I just found out about this tournament and I'm already ranked 80. My total points 2,692. My new referrals during the period of the tournament, 7 new referrals, right? Referral boxes 202, referral Doge 42, right? So point system, super legendary box 600 points, and so on and so forth. So here's the prize pool. So the top place we get 5,000 Doge, second place 4,000, third 3,000, fourth to 10th 500 Doge, 11th to 2200, 21st to 30th 100, 31st to 50 Doge, and 51st to 100 20 Doge, right? So you can see here, these are the points and these are the people ranking. Let's scroll to see myself. So yours truly is at 80 with 2,692 points, and I'm not even aware that something like this is going on, right? So I've just been, sharing the platform with friends, and that has placed me here. So now if I get a little more conscious, I might push myself up the ladder. Let's just hope I could get somewhere better, right? So it costs nothing. This is absolutely free. All that I've earned on this platform is 767 Doge I've earned on this platform are totally free of charge. So you can also join, get the boxes, and up your game, increase your daily earning, and this is like a plus, right? Always check your boxes and open them. They add to your daily earning rate. So you can put in a little more effort by referring 1 or 2 persons, and as they join, you will find yourself on this list. And when the 10 days remaining are out, you might have something to write home about, right? So this platform looks like they are not living here anytime soon. Usually when you start with some of this free crypto platform, they don't take long before they go wild, right? But I've been observing them for a while, and they look kind of legit. However, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial expert, and all that I've done here, I've never invested. So if you are willing to invest, I urge you to do your own research to understand even better. All right. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.